lucky.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Alright. Tuanze na Trisha kidogo. Naona hiyo look yako leo inakaa fiti sana. Maybe unaweza tuambia designer wako kwanza.
My designer style by Naomi. Always, yes.
Okay, okay. Na ni kitu gani ambayo iliku-inspire leo kuvaa hivi ama ni kulingana na ile role ulikuwa nayo hapo?
Depending on the role I was playing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Na tukiweza kuuliza kidogo Trisha, relationship yako na Kabugi na Cheryl maybe iko vipi?
They're just good friends. There are people I know wenye naweza waita kwa kitu yangu wakuje. Yeah, so I had to show up for them too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Na Flako hapa relationship yako na Kabugi iko vipi?
Well, he's a fellow creative.
Yeah.
I was there when he was starting up, watched him grow. So I just had to show up, man. Art is art.
Yeah.
I love art. Yeah, that's why I'm here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. Na tuki compare na past years ama past times, una feel kama content creators na actors wameweza kusupportiana vile inafaa?
Vibaya sana.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. And maybe Trisha, your experience today kwa hii show na kwa hii event venye ulikuwa unatarajia itakuwa imekuwa vipi?
I was expecting something like this and more.
Yeah.
Yeah, sijakuwa failed. I'm good.
Alright.
Yeah.
Hey, when I see you guys together, nafurahi sana kuwaona. You looking amazing. You've been working together, Trisha and Flako.
Judy.
You've been working together, and how has it been doing projects together, supporting each other's friends? Trisha,
It has been good.
ladies first.
It has been great.
Yeah, it has been awesome.
Fresh.
Mbona mnapita hivi Flako?
For real though,
Yeah,
it has been good. Trisha is awesome. Yeah.
Flako is good. Good people.
Yeah, next question. Next question.
Next question.
Yeah.
We are here because of Kabugi, of course, tumeona Trisha umekuwa pale, supported him, and maybe what do you have to say about him? Did you expect this will happen? Like watu wametokea wengi sana to support him.
Do you know this guy works like day and night? So he actually deserves to get such kind of audience. I'm so proud of him. Whatever he is right now, kama ataangalia kitu, I just want to let him know that I'm so proud of him, and he's a go-getter, and he's gonna go get far. He will go far. Yeah.
No, he just mentioned that it is true. Wewe ni super actress, of course. You are an amazing job pale kwa TV. Unapoonekana hapa, it's not easy, but you just came, Trisha. Yani you're just, I don't know how to say. What relationship do you have with Kabugi that made you come and support him?
Kabugi is a good friend. He's someone I know mwenye nikimwita kwa issue yangu ata show up. So I just decided to show up.
Amazing. Mr. Flako,
Yes.
you're on TV right now. TV. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you so
You
much.
just say that the struggles zimekuwa mingi sana pale toka uanze, we've seen you growing, doing everything. And how is the feeling seeing yourself right now, your show is on TV?
I mean, it's really inspirational. Nikiangalia place yenye, the way we started, we started from the bottom and we're not exactly here, but the progress is really immense. We thank God. Yeah.
To your fans who have been supporting you, na umefika mahali umefika sahi, what do you have to tell them?
Well, I'm always thankful, and what is obviously Matoga, and I thank you guys so much for supporting me. I'm Jaini Angusha Maze. I'm so emotional right now. Thank you guys so much.
And maybe Flako, okay, do you expect like a show kama hii a solo comedy ya Flako?
Well, when the time is right, because me, I don't do things because people are doing. I feel the time is not right for me. Because I still had other projects in mind, which I'm working on. Like you see, now my program is on TV. Those are the things I've been working on. So for me, a live show, bado, because I've not even done Bakari show, Yeah, so I mean, there's the time when the time is right, I'll do it. Yeah.
And even apart from that, despite all the struggles as influencers, kuna time tunaona ukiongea kusema mmekanyagiwa chini. For example, the Oppo issue.
Yeah.
So far so good. What advice can you give to influencers when you're not?
So what advice I can give to influencers when it comes to
despite all the difficulties in the face.
Yeah.
For example, uliongea Oppo venye iliwafanyia. What can you say about that?
Well, I can't wait for the day when everybody will respect creatives, especially corporates. People still don't take creatives that seriously, but we hold so much power, and I've been so silent about it. I don't talk like that about a lot of things, but it came to a point when, you know, I really had to address it because everyone was really silent, and that was really crazy. Yeah, so what I can tell creatives is, stand up for yourself, always. Yeah.
And Flacco and Trisha, what can you tell people wenye wanafikirianga pengine YouTube kuna good chemistry, wanafikiria pengine mna date? What can you tell them?
Wakiendelea hivyo wanaban.
Wasema wanaban.
Wanaban. Kwa nini?
Flacco is good people.
Yeah, and Trisha is a very
Good person.
It's a very good person.
I'm a person. We are both persons.
I love working with Trisha because she's super talented, of course, and she's super beautiful. What's up, Trisha? And akona work discipline. I mean, there are so many opportunities and vice versa. So it's basically a partnership that I really love. Yeah.
And to Trisha, you always, your content on TikTok is always positive. You advocate for positive vibes only. And right now, TikTok iko na mambo mengi sana. What can you tell maybe TikTokers wenye wanatumia platform vibaya kuleta negative vibes pale?
The only thing I can tell people right now, especially TikTokers, wenye wako na following, guys, make good use of that following. Following iko na pesa, social media iko na pesa. Kindly make good use of it. Use your social media platforms in a positive way. You know, so many corporates are watching you, so make good use of it. That's all I can say. Alafu negativity haikupeleki mahali. Una trend on negative grounds, alafu
And maybe some 1 or 2 words kwa fans wenye wanakusupport pale TikTok na social media platform.
Wallahi mimi naweza sema tu muendelee, msupport msichana wenyu. Mnisupport tu, mimi sina la ziada. Endelea tu.
Sawa. Okay, just a message to kuna swali lingine.
And maybe just before that, Trisha, what are the challenges that you've been able to face, especially after your relationship imekuwa hapo nje?
Challenges.
Yes, challenges imekuwa gani, especially after your relationship imeenda kule nje and people know the person you're dating?
Hakuna challenges, maisha ni matamu. Hakuna challenges, lakini DM zimepungua sababu watu washajua nina mpoa. Lakini maisha matamu, mpoa anaendelea kunipenda, yani mahaba yamezidi.
Harusi tunayo, hatuna. Hapa kuna za ndani.
Tunayo.
Pengine harusi ni lini Trisha, kwa watu ambao
Bloggers wanasema ni mwezi wa 5. So maybe tungoje watoe dates.
unaweza mwambia nini Woods kwa kamera?
Wallahi wewe mwanaume, wewe kijana, nakupenda vibaya sana. Yaani nakupenda tu. Jamani, I'm so emotional.
Hadi Flacco na kuangalia.
SMH.
Ama maybe uko na plans pia za kusurprise pale.